Hey guys, it's Joe at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale this beast, Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. Cracking bikes these, massive favourite down here at Jordanbikes. This one is a 2016 on a 16 plate and she's only done 5,373 miles. One owner bike with a full service history. Awesome bike of these, come with plenty of kit on them. This one's got the Brembo Monoblocs, Ohlins front and rear suspension. It's got your ABS, traction, power modes, it's got launch control as well on it, Quickshifter. This one's been fitted with the Austin Racing exhaust, which sounds awesome. It's got a little seat cowl on back, tail tidy with the integrated rear light. We've got all the standard bits as well for it. Awesome bikes. We absolutely love them down here. Give it a fire up for you. Absolute beast. I don't know if the microphone will pick that up, but it sounds absolutely incredible. So, what are you waiting for? Get yourself down to Jordanbikes and get it bought. We'll see you very soon.
Hi, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.